Like, Mommy never lets me play with this. I'm really excited right now.
Oh my god, I have the best idea ever. We'll fit under that.
Oh, that is too cute.
You backed up your system, right?
No.
Uh-oh.
Did you find Mommy's wallet?
She's gonna buy some stuff on Amazon.com.
What are you gonna buy, Kyra? What are you gonna buy? Maybe an inhaler? I don't know.
What are you doing?
Kyra. Hi. Hi. Kitty, really?
And now she's going through a slideshow.
You're so cute.
Poke the screen there, sweetie. God, I should just turn the brightness up to like full.
Kyra, what are you learning about? Yeah? Is it that exciting? Don't drool on it. You got a piece of dog hair in your mouth?
Blech.
Maybe it's cat hair. You never know. Excuse you. You're gonna have to buy her a laptop, honey.
I know. They've got those Leapster ones.
Yeah, she's not gonna be
Leapfrog,
entertained
rather.
by the leapfrog ones for very long.
Maybe.
Maybe like a day. And then she'll be like, this is a toy
You don't want to do that. You're gonna.
and not the real thing. And I want the real thing. And that's how that's gonna go. Yeah.
Can you use a finger like this? Maybe a touch typist or Hut and Pecker.
No, but I'll try to scratch the keys off.